class, we're going to work on multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers using multiple strategies. Our focus strategy is the box method. I'm going to go ahead and write my I can statement. And as I write my I can statement, please go ahead and do the same. All right, so our I can statement, which tells us what we should be able to do by the end of today's lesson. I can multiply a two-digit, not my two-digit because it's for one word. All right, I have a hyphen in between, a two-digit number, a two-digit number, using a variety of strategies. Today, our focus strategy would be box method. Our focus strategy would be box method. All right, so I can multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number using a variety of strategies. Here is our multiplication table. You know, we can use that as a guide to help us with numbers when we're multiplying. And I like that it's color-coded so that you can see like 2 by 2s, 3 times 3s, and things like that. And it helps me like kind of stay focused when I'm looking at the multiplication table. It's not that confusing. So just a quick review of how we do the box method. We want to go ahead and expand each number. So we're going to write the numbers in their expanded form. For instance, 39 is 9 ones and 3 tens, which is 30. So I'm going to go ahead and expand that to 30 plus 9. 69, I'm going to expand that to 60 plus 7. 67, 60 plus 7. Now, when I look at the expanded form, if I have two digits in there, or I have two different numbers, the number of digits that I want to multiply by will tell me the number of boxes. So with 39, there are two digits, which means I need two boxes. With 67, there are two digits. I need two boxes as well. All right, so two boxes going across and then two boxes going down. I'm going to go ahead, and the next step would be to, after drawing my boxes, all right, so like a two-digit problem needs two boxes. Then I want to go ahead and write the numbers. I'll also add my addition sign in there so that way I don't forget to add the numbers. And then I'm going to multiply the top number, right? The number at the top of each column by the row number. All right, so here I'll go ahead and multiply my 60 by 30, put it in the first box, and then 60 by 9, put it in the next box. Then I'll go ahead and do it again, but this time multiply my 30 by 7 and put it in this box right here, and then my 9 by 7 and put it in this box. Now, when we do all of that, it's not over yet. We have to go ahead and add all of these numbers. The addition of all of these numbers, of all of these products, will give us the multiplication of that we started with. All right. So let's go ahead and look at this number. 28 by 35. The first step is to write factors in expanded form. So 35 will be 30 plus 5, and 28 is 20 plus 8. The next step is to go ahead and find the product of 30 times 20, which is 600. And then find 20 by 5, which is 100. Then 30 by 8, which is 240. And then 8 by 5, which is 40. After finding the product of all of these numbers, the next step would be to add all of these products, and the addition of all of those products will give me my answer. I'm going to have my 600 my 240, 140, add all of those numbers together. I'm looking right here, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give me 0. And here, I've only got 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 4 is 8. And then 6 plus 2 plus 1 will give me 9. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 will give me 9. All right, so the answer to this problem is 980. We're going to look at another problem. All right, so we've got 32 times 24. Again, another two-digit number by a two-digit number. The first step is to write these numbers in their expanded form. 24 will be 20 plus 4. 32 will be 30 plus 2. The next step would be to multiply my 20 by 30. I'm going to write that answer in this first box, all right, where the two of them meet. So 20 times 30 is 600. And then I'm going to do 30 times 4, which is 120. Next step, I'm going to the next level. I'm going to multiply my 20 by 2, which will give me 40. And then I'm going to multiply my 4 by 2, which will give me 8. Now I'm going to go ahead and find the sum of all of them. So I'm having my 640, 120 plus 8, and I'm going to add all of them together. So I've got 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, which is 8. 0 plus 4, which is 4, plus 2, which is 6. And then 6 plus 1, 7. And that's the answer to the problem. All right. So 32 times 24 is 768. Let's look at one more problem and see if we can solve this. 37 times 27 using the box method. So I would like for every single person to first of all draw out your boxes. If you've got 2-digit by 2-digit, then you need 4 boxes in all, 2 per digit. And if you will go ahead and write an expanded form, so 37 would be my 30 plus 7, and then 27 would be my 20 plus 7. All right, so we looked today again at multiplying 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, talking about a variety of strategies, but our focus strategy was the box method. And as we multiply, we want to use this box method to help us multiply our work.